Hello and welcome to this video on fun facts about protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in the function and structure of our bodies. It's found in a variety of foods, including meat, dairy, beans, and nuts, and it's an important part of any healthy diet. In this video, we'll be exploring some interesting and surprising facts about protein that you might not know. Fact number 1, protein is made up of smaller units called amino acids. There are 20 different amino acids that can be combined in different ways to form different types of protein. Some amino acids can be made by the body, while others must be obtained through the diet. Fact number 2, protein is necessary for building and repairing tissues, such as muscles, skin, and hair. It's also important for maintaining healthy bones and teeth, and for producing enzymes and hormones. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to our channel. Fact number 3, protein is an important source of energy for the body. While carbohydrates and fats are typically the body's primary sources of energy, protein can also be used for energy when needed. Fact number 4, protein is essential for weight loss. It can help to increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction after eating, which can help to reduce cravings and keep you on track with your weight loss goals. Fact number 5, the body can't store excess protein like it can with carbohydrates and fats. This means that it's important to get enough protein on a daily basis to meet the body's needs. Fact number 6, some people believe that eating more protein can lead to muscle growth, but this isn't necessarily true. In order to build muscle, you need to do resistance training and provide your body with enough energy and nutrients to support muscle growth. Fact number 7, there are many plant-based sources of protein, including beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts. This means that it's possible to get all the protein you need without consuming animal products. In summary, protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in the function and structure of our bodies. It's found in a variety of foods, and it's important for building and repairing tissues, maintaining healthy bones and teeth, and producing enzymes and hormones. It's also a source of energy and can help with weight loss. Thanks for watching.